Okay, hi YouTube. This is me. Right now that I just got to my house, I just you see that tree right there? That tree right there? I got, um, I just got home right now and I noticed that there's a lot of bees and I found like a freaking giant beehive right on that tree. So here, I'll go take a closer look so you guys can see. I know, there's a lot of sun. Oh god. What the Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there it is. Um, okay, I'm gonna go back in the side and okay, so I don't know if you guys really got to see it, but well, I guess I'll just see you next time. See ya. Take care.